everyone, welcome to the third video in our upper body strengthening for beginners series. For the Yoga Trapeze, we are going to be working on actual hangs and building up to doing our pull-up. So the first key thing that we need that a lot of people don't think about is our grip strength. Finger strength is the first thing that will be an issue before your shoulders or your biceps or anything that will prevent you from being able to hold your pull-up or hold your position. So when I teach private lessons, that's the first thing people tell me is, oh my gosh, my fingers, my fingers. So we'll go ahead and start there. We're gonna take our handles, or if you're also on a trapeze or pull-up bar, you can even work with one of those as well, whatever you have. We're gonna make it so that way our fingertips are facing forward, so we're not doing a curl up or a chin up. We're going to be doing a pull up. So fingers are forward, thumbs with the fingers. So I'm not grabbing like I'm grabbing a baseball bat. All of my fingers are together facing forward. And then you want to kind of roll off of this part and hang more from your fingertips. So you don't really want to be gripping from this position, but more from the fingertips. So this is how we want our hands to look while they're on the bar. So we'll go ahead and place our fingertips on the highest handle, and then go ahead and lower yourself down to your knees. And then we'll go ahead and grab nice and strong, gripping those handles. Allow your hips to kind of sink back. Now you can play here if you want, lifting the shoulders up towards the ears and back down away from the ears, or practice holding with the ears lifted out of the shoulders. And so we're just squeezing, gripping, and then go ahead and release whenever you feel like you're not going to fall down. Notice where you might feel the burn, maybe down your forearms as well. Whenever you move your fingers, you can actually see your forearm muscles moving. So that's plays a huge role in our grip strength as well as our forearm strength. So we'll do that 3 times. You can start with 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, wherever you're at, it's your practice. So we'll get back into our hang. I like to hang with my shoulders pulling down my back, core engaged. Feeling nice and lifted here, breathing into the chest, keeping my belly and my whole torso engaged. And then exhale. Once you feel stable, release. Woo! Builds a burn really fast. Like to clap it out, massage it out, help support your body. And then when you're ready, last one. So reaching up, fingertips, and then pull those shoulders down the back, lifting through the heart, back of the shoulders stay broad, pull that core in. Squeeze with the fingers, really grip through the pads of the fingertips. How does that feel when you activate that? Inhale, exhale, release. Ooh, nice. And then shake it out. You can do your little wrist stretches, always keeping a micro bend. Look at that difference. So this is me just straightening my arm, and then now this is me being mindful of my arm. On the other side, let's pull it back. Awesome. So now we're gonna do actual hangs. So if you need to grab your pull-up bar, whatever it's hanging from, or the handles, we're going to jump and come into a tuck. So we wanna be able to bring our knees into our belly and hold. And then we're gonna slowly, keeping our knees lifted as high as they can the whole time, only our arms move. And then we try to control it as slow as we can go until they're fully extended, still keeping everything pulled down the back. this time you can turn the palms in to face each other, getting nice and strong. Shoulders move down the back. Inhale. On the exhales when we're going to jump and tuck and hold in, and then you continue to breathe into the chest. So inhale, exhale, jump. Inhale as slow as you can go. Nice. So even at the bottom of that, I kind of let go pretty fast. That's something I'm going to be working on since my surgery. Controlling that descent. So let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, jump. Inhale, nice and slow. So I'm using just my tiptoes for a little bit of support to help me come back down because it's just too much too soon. So that's okay. Let's try it one more time now that I know where I'm at in my body. Inhale, jump. Exhale with control. I'm literally just on my tiptoes to help control the weight down, but I'm still actively using my arms to lower down. Awesome. So there's always a way to modify no matter where you're at in your body. Nobody is your learning curve or where you should be at. Only you can determine that because everyone's different. So now that we've done that a few times, you can kind of notice where your body just tends to release. Maybe it's when you get to here, or maybe it's harder here, and then when you get to there, it's a little bit easier. Wherever you notice you have the hardest time slowing and controlling, we're gonna actually hold there. So I'm gonna literally support myself with my toes, give myself just a little bit more control in this so I don't injure myself, push myself too hard. But what we're gonna do is inhale, exhale, jump. Core is engaged, and then nice and slow, lower to wherever you started to drop, and then hold. Breathe. Broaden the back of the shoulders, broaden the collarbones. Inhale. Exhale, rest of the way lower. Beautiful. We'll do that again. 2 more times. Always inhale, and then exhale to complete the movement. Inhale, exhale, jump, hold, squeeze, engage, breathe, and then nice and slow, bringing yourself down to wherever you started to feel yourself give out. Breathe. Inhale, release. Awesome. We'll do it one more time. So take your breath, inhale, exhale, jump. Inhale, pause wherever you need to. Use your finger pads, breathe into the chest, and then lower with control the rest of the way down. Beautiful. Just gonna let the front of my body stretch open, let my shoulders stretch up, but my grip is like, no more. So let go, stretch the wrists, shake it out, do some shoulder rolls. We'll inhale, lift our arms up overhead. Exhale, place your right hand on your hip, lean over to the right with your left arm, micro bend, press into the palm. Inhale up. Over to the other side. Be active and engaged with that arm. Instead of just being blunt, breathing. And then back up. Roll your shoulders together, bring the wrists into this. Shake it out. Awesome. So you can practice this multiple times in a day. You can practice all 3 videos together sequentially. Whatever you need to focus on, you can come back to and keep building up that strength. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. Like and subscribe. I'm going to be putting out another series on core strength to help you build up to getting on the trapeze comfortably and confidently. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Namaste.